Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, April 25, 2022. Today's video is about St. Lawrence Jewry. St. Lawrence Jewry is a Church of England guild church in the City of London on Gresham Street, next to Guildhall. The medieval church was destroyed in the Great Fire of London in 1666, and rebuilt to a design by Sir Christopher Wren. The building suffered extensive damage on the 29th of December 1940, during the Blitz, and was restored in 1957 by Cecil Brown to Wren's original design. It is the official church of the Lord Mayor of London. Wren's church has an aisle only on the north side, in the left-hand side of this photograph, divided from the nave by Corinthian columns. The ceiling is divided into sunken panels, ornamented with wreaths and branches. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.